Hi, I am noticing that lot of members are facing the issue that they are not getting the notification of all new upcoming videos of Risa Weiner YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you two methods that if you are a new subscriber, how you can get all the notifications, and if you are a regular subscriber of Risa Weiner channel, and how you can get all the notifications from her all upcoming new videos. So let's start. If you are new on YouTube and did not subscribe Risa Weiner yet, so you have to go in the search bar of YouTube and you have to write Risa Weiner. You will enter and find Risa Weiner here, and after that you need to click on the Risa Weiner channel here. And after opening the channel dashboard, you will see there is a subscribe button on the right side, top right. And if you want to subscribe from watching a video, so before the video, below the video, there will be a subscribe button. So you need to press the subscribe button first. If you are not subscriber yet, so you need to press the subscribe button yet. First you will press the subscribe button. Look at this. When you will press the subscribe button, there will be a tick symbol and there is a bell icon on the right side. So you have to press the bell icon. You have to click on the bell icon. When you will click on the bell icon, you will see a pop-up here, and this is asking the notification from Risa Weiner YouTube channel. So you have to click the all notifications from here, the top one, the first option, all notification. So after that you have to save. So if you do settings like this, so you will receive all new recipes, all new videos notification from Risa Weiner YouTube channel. So now I am going to discuss the second method. If you are a subscriber of Risa Weiner and you are not receiving all the notifications from her channel, so how you can receive all the notifications? So for example, you are a subscriber right now, you are a subscriber of Risa Weiner. So in this way you will see there will be a tick button, subscribed, you have subscribed the channel, but there is a bell icon which you have not pressed yet. You have to click on it, you have to press the bell. When you will press that bell, just one click, and you can see there will be a pop-up, and it will ask about the notifications, that you want to receive all notification occasionally or none. So you have to click the all, you have to choose the all button here, all option here. So if you select the all option here, and after that you need to save. So after that you will receive all the notifications from Risa Weiner YouTube channel for all her new recipes, her new videos. Hope so you guys like this video, and this was a helping tutorial from my side. Hope so you would like it. Thanks for watching.